Contrary to your belief, the hustle is not a dance move, man. It's a way of life. Shout out to everybody, man. This is Jay, Luxury Hustle Mentorship, the opportunity plug. How you? What's goody? What's good, guys? Just made some quick runs here, but while I'm out, I wanted to take some time to shoot a video because I've been sharing some information with you guys as far as how I've been able to generate an additional income and earn unlimited $250 commissions. Let me get my lighting together here. But I've been put in a position where I'm able to earn unlimited $250 commissions directly into my PayPal and Stripe account. So for people that are asking, guys, I'm involved in an affiliate marketing program where I'm able to go. I've gotten reseller rights to a program, so now I'm able to go out and do videos like this, Facebook ads, Twitter ads, different things to let people know what I'm doing. And when someone decides they want to take advantage of or definitely check out the training. So if they're in business for themselves and they're trying to generate leads or get more people into their business, this may interest them. So, whenever someone decides that they want to purchase as well, the company will pay me a $250 commission. Well, not the company, it's member to member. So keep that in mind. When it's member to member, no company pays you. You don't have to worry about no third party, nobody holding your funds. It goes directly into your account. Now, the cool thing about this, everything is done for you because all I'm doing is just taking the information that they're giving me and I'm utilizing it, and I'm doing copy and paste. I'm copy and pasting. So we have free copy and paste ads for you for social media, and we also have a done for you marketing system so that if you do not have your own marketing funnel or build your own funnels, we have one for you, and we'll do a couple follow-ups. So that's to get you going. But when you have marketing buddies, or if you have a sponsor like me, I'm going to show you exactly how to go out here and build your own sales funnel so you can funnel your leads, be able to market back and forth, or other programs that you may have later down the line that you can talk to these people, or you can talk to your team about, or other people that would be interested in your business. So that's what I'm into, guys. But the company, the community, I love it, man. I mean, I constantly put up proof, and I like to show you guys exactly that people are joining this program literally every day, all day. I mean, I wake up in the morning and there will be people already being welcomed to the group where they've made $250 signups, or sales, and they got those signups. Or 2 signups, $500 in a day, and they're done. They're hanging out with their family the rest of the day. I mean, isn't that life-changing for you? So don't let anything hold you back and say, you know what, I don't know who to talk to, because we have the traffic sources. We have the ads for you to do. We tell you where to go, how to post, what to post. There's no way for you not to fail unless you don't work. The easiest thing to do is not to do anything. So if you don't do anything, of course, you're not going to see any results. I mean, I've literally been funneling people into this system, guys, as far as, getting leads in left and right from just a lot of the marketing strategies that I'm able to get. And I just been funneling them into the system's own page. I haven't even created my own capture page yet because I'm liking the way that everything is going. Now, eventually I will, which I think I said I'm going to put one together today. I kind of already have enough message follow-ups. I always like to wait to get about 6 or 7 days worth of messages. So if anyone decides that they want to use the funnel as well, they're more than welcome to use the funnel. So that's why I like putting those type of things together. So if you're involved in like TCP or Builderall, those are the companies that I do most of my marketing funnels in for other programs, or if we want to stand out and make it look different. So yes, guys, this program does work. So for people to say, man, I don't know if this works, if it's going to work for me, we're literally giving you everything. The traffic sources, where to get the leads from, how to get leads, who to get ads from, how to do a Facebook ad. I mean, bonus training that we're giving you, the community that you're going to be involved, all the help that you're going to be able to receive. Literally everything is done for you guys. I mean, I've never seen anything like this. Unlimited $250 commissions instant to your account. No one should stand in your way of your commission, okay? No one. There shouldn't be remember this, guys. Companies do go down, okay? So think about if you were in a company and they owed you $1,000 commission and that company went down, right? But when you have member-to-member programs, they're paying you directly. They're able to just pay you directly. No one has to go through the whole situation and wait on the money, wait 2-3 weeks. You don't have to do that member to member. It goes directly in. You get the commissions, digital products, and you're good to go. All right. Sorry about that, guys. My phone that went out here. But you don't have to wait on the money, man. The money comes directly to you, okay? So that's something that, you know, I'm involved in. I like being in things that involve where it allows me to make some good money up front. Allows me to make some good money up front. So then that way, everything is good, all right? So I'm going to leave a link for you to check it out. Check everything out at the bottom. And if you have questions, reach out to me, guys. But this your boy, Jay. Hope you guys have a beautiful and blessed day. And if there's any questions, reach out to me. Peace.